Since OpenClaw's launch, the AI agent landscape has exploded, with new contenders appearing almost weekly. Amidst this crowded field, Hermes has emerged as a standout, catching the attention of many enthusiasts and professionals. While OpenClaw boasts an impressive 307 K-stars on GitHub, Hermes is quickly gaining traction with 6 K-stars. What sets Hermes apart is its focus on performance rather than memory usage, positioning it as a true competitor to OpenClaw. In this video, we'll explore what makes Hermes unique, how it compares to OpenClaw, and why it's generating so much buzz in the AI community. Let's dive into the world of advanced AI agents and see how Hermes stacks up. Hermes Agent is a fully Python-based open-source AI agent developed by Nous Research. One of its most compelling features is its ability to learn over time, turning user interactions into reusable skills and improving them through experience. Hermes stores useful information and can search through previous conversations, enabling a deeper understanding of user behavior across sessions. Unlike many agents, Hermes is not limited to a single model provider. It can be powered by OpenAI, OpenRouter, or Nous Research API keys, and even run models locally for enhanced privacy. This flexibility makes Hermes a versatile tool for anyone interested in AI automation. Nous Research is a decentralized AI startup and research laboratory, known for its contributions to open-source large language models, LLMs. Their models, such as Hermes 405B and Hermes 470B, are available for download on Hugging Face or accessible via API. Hermes Agent leverages these models but is not restricted to them, offering compatibility with other providers. This open approach allows users to tailor their AI experience according to their needs, whether they prefer cloud-based solutions or local deployments for privacy. The flexibility and transparency of Nous Research's work have made them a respected name in the AI community. Hermes Agent stands out for its versatility. Users can power it with OpenAI, OpenRouter, or Nous Research API keys, and if they have the necessary hardware, they can run models locally. This local option adds an extra layer of privacy, which is increasingly important in today's digital landscape. Whether you're looking for cloud-based convenience or local control, Hermes adapts to your preferences. This flexibility is one of the reasons Hermes is considered a true competitor to OpenClaw, offering users more choices in how they deploy and interact with AI agents. Setting up Hermes Agent is straightforward and works on Linux, macOS, or WSL for Windows. The recommended approach is to use a VPS or a spare computer. For example, Contabo's Cloud VPS 20 offers a cost-effective solution with 12 GB of RAM and a 200 GB SSD for just $6 a month. Most VPS providers let you choose your Linux distribution, and Ubuntu is often preferred due to its extensive documentation. Once connected, installing Hermes Agent is as simple as running a single command, which creates a virtual environment with all necessary Python and Node.js dependencies. After running the installation command, Hermes Agent sets up a virtual environment with all required dependencies. The next step is to reload your shell using source.bashrc. Hermes includes an onboarding experience, which, while less user-friendly than OpenClaw's, is well documented and organized. The repository structure is clear, making it easy to navigate and customize your agent. Key files include config.yaml for settings, .env for API keys, and folders for memories, skills, cron jobs, sessions, and logs. This organization helps users manage their agent efficiently and securely. Hermes Agent's repository is designed for clarity and ease of use. The main directory, HEREMES, contains essential files and folders, config, YAML for settings, env for API keys, auth, JSON for OAuth credentials, SOL, MD for global persona, memories for persistent memory, skills for agent-created skills, cron for scheduled jobs, sessions for conversation history, and logs for error tracking. This structure allows users to customize their agent, manage skills, and maintain security. The config.yaml file is particularly important, as it lets you tailor the agent's behavior and appearance. Before diving into customization, it's crucial to ensure your provider API keys are correctly added during onboarding. The .env file is where you store keys for OpenRouter, OpenAI, or other providers. For example, adding your OpenRouter API key is as simple as copying it into the .env file. This step is essential for enabling communication with the agent and accessing advanced features. Once your keys are set, you can start interacting with Hermes and explore its capabilities. Proper API key management ensures security and smooth operation. Hermes Agent offers intuitive CLI commands for managing and interacting with the agent. The Hermes command opens the chat interface, where you can use hundreds of / commands to perform various tasks. These commands are accompanied by brief descriptions, making them easy to understand and use. Whether you're chatting, switching models, or configuring settings, Hermes provides a user-friendly experience. The documentation page lists all available commands, but the most useful ones are highlighted for quick access. This makes Hermes accessible even for users new to AI agents. The Hermes chat interface is designed for efficiency and ease of use. With hundreds of / commands available, users can quickly access features and perform tasks without memorizing complex syntax. Each command is accompanied by a brief description, helping users understand its function. This streamlined approach makes it easy to replace many CLI commands with simple chat interactions. Whether you're managing sessions, configuring models, or scheduling tasks, the chat interface puts powerful tools at your fingertips. Hermes makes it easy to switch between AI models. Using the Hermes model command, you can view all available providers and select the one that best fits your needs. Default models are listed, but you can also enter custom models. For example, NVIDIA recently released a super-fast model on OpenRouter, which can be used for free. This flexibility allows users to experiment with different models and optimize performance according to their requirements. Model switching is a powerful feature for advanced users. Hermes offers robust configuration management through CLI commands. The Hermes config command provides an overview of your current settings, including models, API keys, and more. You can edit the config.yaml file directly, set specific values, check for missing options, and migrate configurations after updates. These tools make it easy to customize your agent and ensure everything is running smoothly. Configuration management is essential for tailoring Hermes to your workflow and preferences. Hermes saves every conversation as a session, allowing it to learn and improve over time. You can list recent sessions, filter by platform, and show more sessions using CLI commands. Exporting sessions is also possible, making it easy to migrate your agent to another machine without losing information. This persistent memory is a key feature, enabling Hermes to build a deeper understanding of user interactions and provide more personalized responses. The Hermes Gateway is a background process that enables communication across platforms like Telegram and Slack. Sometimes, the gateway may encounter issues and needs to be started, stopped, or restarted using CLI commands. You can also configure the messaging platforms wrapped by the gateway, ensuring seamless integration with your preferred channels. This feature makes Hermes a versatile tool for multi-platform communication and automation. Hermes supports cron job scheduling, allowing users to automate tasks and set reminders. CLI commands let you list, edit, and remove scheduled jobs. For example, removing a cron job is as simple as using the cron remove is less than job, id is greater than command. This automation capability is valuable for users who want to streamline their workflow and ensure important tasks are handled efficiently by the agent. Keeping Hermes up to date is simple with the Hermes update command, which pulls the latest changes from the repository. If you decide Hermes isn't for you, uninstalling is just as easy with Hermes uninstall. While Hermes currently lacks an audit command, OpenClaw offers this feature, providing guidance on best practices and security checks. Hermes compensates with the Insights command in chat, summarizing sessions, costs, active time, and more. Hermes can be connected to Telegram for enhanced communication. The process starts by creating a new bot using BotFather, choosing a display name and username, and obtaining your API token. Next, you retrieve your user ID via @userinfobot. With these credentials, you run RME's gateway setup and follow the steps to add both the bot API token and your token ID. Alternatively, you can paste the information directly into the .env file. If issues arise, restarting the gateway usually resolves them. Hermes offers extensive customization options. You can change the agent's personality, reasoning effort, terminal backend, memory settings, and enable text-to-speech (TTS) and speech-to-text (STT) features. Most customizations are made in the config.yaml file. Personalities range from helpful and concise to creative, technical, and even themed personas like pirate, Shakespeare, or Catgirl. This flexibility allows users to tailor Hermes to their preferences and use cases. Hermes comes with a variety of built-in personalities, selectable via /commands or by editing the config.yaml file. Options include helpful, concise, technical, creative, motherly, teacher, kawaii, catgirl, pirate, Shakespeare, surfer, noir, uwu, philosopher, and hype. You can add new personalities or modify existing ones to suit your needs. The agent's display name and skin can also be customized, allowing for personalized welcome messages, UI colors, and prompts. Hermes supports multiple TTS providers, including OpenAI, Edge, and 11 Labs. Configuration is handled in the config.yaml file, where you specify the provider and voice settings. Unlike OpenClaw, Hermes requires explicit requests for audio messages or the creation of a skill that generates them automatically. This approach saves memory and gives users control over when voice messages are used. New TTS and STT models, like fish speech, are also available for local use or via API. Enabling speech-to-text in Hermes is straightforward. The config.yaml file allows you to activate STT and specify the model, such as Whisper 1. For this feature, you'll need an OpenAI API token. STT enhances Hermes capabilities, making it easier to interact with the agent using voice commands and improving accessibility for users who prefer spoken input. Hermes comes with several pre-installed skills, such as Claude Code for coding tasks, Apple Notes management, Dog Food for QA testing, YouTube content for transcript processing, OpenHue for smart lighting control, and Nano PDF for PDF editing. Creating new skills is easy if you have the right model. For example, replacing Firecrawl web search with Perplexity Sonar is a simple process, allowing you to reuse your OpenRouter API key and streamline your setup. Configuring Hermes to use Perplexity Sonar for web search involves updating the skill MD file and webtools.py to use the Perplexity client. The skill requires the OpenRouter API key and returns full answers with sources, not just URLs. This integration provides summarized information and reduces the number of APIs needed in your setup. Testing and notes are included to ensure smooth operation and compatibility. Hermes can be used to create custom projects and scripts, such as Hermes Count, a try-count-like tool for managing expenses inside a Telegram group. By providing logical prompts and generating a skill.md file, you can share your project with the community. Hermes Count demonstrates the agent's versatility and ability to handle practical tasks, making it a valuable tool for collaborative projects. The Appify MCP skill is particularly useful for accessing up-to-date information like tech job listings and news. Hermes can create this skill based on a JSON file from the Appify MCP page, requiring an Appify token for authentication. This integration showcases Hermes' ability to connect with external services and automate information retrieval, enhancing its utility for users seeking real-time data. If Hermes or OpenClaw feels overwhelming, there's no need to get frustrated. You can book a 20-minute consultation to find a solution tailored to your needs. This support option ensures users can get help with setup, customization, or troubleshooting, making the transition to advanced AI agents smoother and more accessible. Hermes provides transparency by showing all changes it makes during setup and operation. Terminal commands, file writes, and skill management actions are logged, allowing users to track what the agent is doing. This feature helps maintain trust and ensures users can verify modifications, making Hermes a reliable tool for those who value transparency and control. While Hermes offers many advanced features, OpenClaw is often faster in practice. This speed advantage may be due to Hermes' learning system, which takes notes and updates skills during conversations. However, performance can be improved with faster models or configuration tweaks. The trade-off between speed and learning capability is an important consideration for users choosing between Hermes and OpenClaw. Hermes currently lacks an audit command and a dashboard, features that OpenClaw provides. These tools are valuable for guiding best practices and monitoring agent activity. However, Hermes is still new, and the development team is actively working to add these features. Users can expect improvements and new capabilities in the near future as Hermes evolves. In conclusion, Hermes Agent is a powerful and flexible AI tool that competes closely with OpenClaw. Its Python-based, open-source nature, learning capabilities, and extensive customization options make it a compelling choice for users seeking advanced automation. While OpenClaw currently leads in speed and features like auditing, Hermes' transparency and adaptability are strong advantages. As Hermes continues to develop, it will likely become even more competitive. Whether you're an AI enthusiast or a professional, Hermes offers a robust platform for exploring the future of intelligent agents.